While tin is often an overlooked metal in the suite, its fundamentals have arguably held the most upside in recent years. This has been driven by tin's use in renewable energy, new digital applications, and energy storage versus a high-risk supply outlook. In turn, the International Tin Association are forecasting a record 13,000-ton deficit for tin to be reached by 2030, from a deficit of about 5,000 tons this year. Looking ahead, with global stocks having been significantly depleted over 2025, with mine production in key producing regions still in recovery mode, alongside tin's small market size, we see tin prices as vulnerable to the upside. However, having said this, with LME speculative positioning hovering near record highs, the question of just how much higher prices can go must be asked. Global refined tin production will post a very modest recovery in 2025, rising just 0.3% year-on-year, before recovering to growth of 1.8% in 2026. Refined output this year has been challenged by severe mine disruptions across key producing countries. For example, the world's third largest tin mine, Bismi, owned by Alphamine Resources in the DRC, faced a month-long suspension in March following an M23 rebel attack, with a partial resumption occurring only from the 9th of April. Meanwhile, operational activities in Myanmar's Wa state only resumed in August, following a 20-month ban. Now, it's worth noting Myanmar is the third largest tin-producing country in the world and the largest importer of tin to China, in 2022 accounting for 77% of the country's imports. Now, as a result, Chinese ore imports of tin have posted double-digit declines over the last 2 years, with exports down 26% over the first 7 months of this year. Now, countering supply challenges, however, has been a rebound in production and exports from the world's second largest tin producer, Indonesia, this year, following domestic production falling to its lowest level in more than 20 years to below 50,000 tonnes in 2024. Indeed, upon the conclusion of an investigation into corruption and illegal mining, Indonesian exports have risen 35% over the January to July period, after falling by 33% in 2024, with exports to China over the same period up 80%. The demand profile for tin is supportive of higher prices, with demand in 2025 and 2026 forecast to lift by 0.4% and 2.1% respectively. Note tin's use in electrification, digitalization, electric vehicles, solar, AI, and data centers makes it a highly desired and necessary metal for the future.